Filipino seafarers sign up to work on ocean-going vessels, their employment is governed by a detailed contract. This contract outlines not only the terms of employment but also the rights and responsibilities of both the seafarer and the employer. It starts by defining key terms such as point of hire, which is the place where the contract begins and ends, and basic wage, which is the salary excluding overtime and bonuses. The contract also clarifies what constitutes regular working hours, work-related injury, and compassionate ground. Understanding these definitions is crucial because they set the foundation for all other conditions in the contract. As we move forward, we'll explore the specific duties and protections these contracts provide for seafarers. Both the employer and the seafarer have clearly defined duties under the contract. Employers must ensure prompt payment of wages, provide a seaworthy vessel, and maintain safety standards, including proper equipment and accident prevention measures. They are also responsible for setting up a grievance system on board, so seafarers can voice concerns. On the other hand, seafarers are expected to follow the contract's terms, obey lawful commands, and maintain discipline and respect towards others on the ship. The contract specifies that regular working hours should not exceed 8 hours per day or 48 hours per week, with overtime compensated accordingly. Rest periods, leave pay, and shore leave are also addressed, ensuring that seafarers have time to rest and recover. These provisions are designed to protect both the welfare of the crew and the smooth operation of the vessel. Major focus of the contract is the protection of seafarers in cases of injury, illness, or termination. If a seafarer suffers a work-related injury or illness, the employer must cover medical costs, repatriation, and provide a sickness allowance. In the unfortunate event of death, the contract guarantees compensation to the seafarer's beneficiaries, including additional payments for children and burial expenses. The contract also details scenarios for termination, such as completion of service, shipwreck, vessel sale, or disciplinary action. In each case, the seafarer's rights to wages, repatriation, and termination pay are clearly outlined. Furthermore, the contract lists occupational diseases and corresponding disability benefits, ensuring comprehensive coverage. These measures are in place to provide security and peace of mind for seafarers and their families throughout their employment. Contract provides a structured process for handling grievances and disputes. Seafarers can raise complaints first with their department head, and if unresolved, escalate to the ship's master or even to authorities like the Philippine Overseas Labor Office. All actions and decisions must be properly documented for transparency. Disciplinary procedures are also clearly laid out, ensuring that seafarers are given notice and a chance to defend themselves before penalties are imposed. For unresolved disputes, the contract specifies that Philippine law and relevant international conventions apply and outlines the jurisdiction of labor authorities. This legal framework ensures that seafarers have access to fair treatment and due process, reinforcing their protection while working far from home.